he's getting webbed in. Oh no. Kill that little thing. When I was younger, I would literally just stay on the computer, just looking at the screen, just playing games with my keyboard up like this, going away, like proper just playing games the whole time. And I remember my teachers and my parents saying, "You can't make money from this. Why are you spending so much time doing it? This is not going to be a career path." And then I'd go back to him like, "Look at this YouTuber over there, he's making loads of money from this, and look at this YouTuber, he makes loads of money from just talking about his games," and loads of other like little avenues like that. I'd basically just be like, "Well, your point is wrong. It's this is a new day and age." And now, especially now, you can actually play different games, become even better at it, and earn a lot in tournament prizes. For example, last year, somebody won, I believe, $3 million in a Fortnite tournament where everybody was watching in 2019, and he was only 19 years old as well, which is amazing to even think about. That's completely outrageous that people can actually make 3 million. Well, you can make 19 million. I mean, all you gotta do is look at people like Ninja, who've got big deals, big brand deals and stuff like that. However, there's never been a game that you can actually play. So every time you play, you make money. You have to be good at the game to earn tournament prizes and everything like that. That's all changed right now. I'm going to show you a game called Hash Rush where you can earn cryptocurrency simply by just playing this game. So let's get into it. Let's play the game and I'll show you how to make money from it. Okay, so we're in now. So basically the whole purpose of the game is to get these workers here to mine resources. Now, all you gotta do is click on one, so you get him right here. Obviously you can attack and guard stuff and everything like that, but from my knowledge, these are not as good as you can basically get trained soldiers. And all this, it's basically a big planet, and all of this stuff here, all the fog, it's like you basically can't go on it because your workers basically get hindered. You can basically create light poles in this construction bit here. You can create a light pole out of 15 wood and stuff like that. So one of the first things we need to do is make a hut, because that makes us be able to get more workers. So we're going to grab this and basically put it anywhere. So we'll put it here. And there we go. That starts to construct now. Leave. Okay, it's constructing. Now we can get this guy to go over here and collect. You just basically just click on him and right click to where you want to go, and then he'll start getting stuff. So you can go and you can get him to go to get wood over there, and basically you slowly grow everything else. So you look at your inventory. This is how much stuff you have: 100 ore, 100 food, 100 fireflies. And you also have these monsters, so you need to basically create a barracks. So what's a barracks? We need 200 stones to create barracks, because we need some like basically some guys to defend everyone else. So let's get this guy to get some stone. And all you gotta do is right click on stone, I believe. It's a bit like Minecraft, but it's like Age of Conquest and Minecraft combined with like Destiny. This is what it all seems like. It's mad. It all seems really fun. Yeah, let's get that guy to go over there. He's gonna go over there now. And then we can get this guy to mine the stone over here. Basically, it's a whole mining game. So this worker has he got it? I believe once it's done, you right click. There we go.
Let's look up.
Oh, right, okay. You can only be picked up by some other unit. Okay. Let's get this guy to go over here, see what this is. And this guy can go pick up some more. Let's see what that is over there. I think those are monsters there. So I don't know if this guy... Basically, the aim is to take over the whole entire planet from these monsters. And as you take down these monsters, you get crypto points. These things, these crystals. And I believe you can then sell these crystals for...
Greetings, boy.
That's the orb. You can also craft things as well. Challenges, there we go. Event ends. Each threshold passed away will unlock new rewards. Okay. Planets. He's still getting that, so he's getting there. Right, now we can build a barracks, I believe. Oh, right, so we need to build a blacksmith first. So let's build this blacksmith. Okay, that's being built. Basically, I believe this is what you do, and then once you've gathered all the materials, you go to beat all these crystal men, and then get all the crystals like this thing here. Yeah, and then you basically claim all the crystals, kill all these people, and you get these crystals here. I believe you can sell it. So that's the way around it. So obviously this is a very, very quick little sort of look at the game, and because it's very in depth, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to you once we collect some more resources and everything like that, and I'll start making more videos on this game to sort of show, can you make more money from it. I just thought, you know what, I'm going to show you guys what it is, how you do everything, what it's all about, and it's actually quite a fun game, to be honest. Especially if you're trying to make money and you really love games, playing, if you really just love just playing games and you want to make money at the same time, this is probably the way to do it. Then you can also stream it and use referral links and everything like that as well. So yeah. Oh, guys getting killed. Oh no. Attack him, lad. Oh no. Attack. So he's rubbish him. I'm gonna make him run. I'm just gonna make him run. That's just attack him. My guy's down. Oh no. So he's just not been able to get the barracks in time. Oh, he's destroying all my stuff. Oh no. Oh, they destroyed me team, man. Only half my guys are gone. Where's the other guy gone? Man. All my guys are gone. Whoa. Whoa, all my guys. They've just killed all the guys. All the guys, bro. Why have you killed all the guys, man? Right, we need to find the other guy. Where's he gone? Oh, he's getting webbed in. Oh no. Kill that little thing. Where's the other guy gone? There's a couple more left. So this is one of the only things that I guess the monsters come in and destroy your actual things as well. Come on. Ah, have him all? That's what you're on about. So once you Enochs die, or whatever. Oh, there he is. So once you die, I don't know if you can do anything else. I think you can still build. Just go after him, lad. And basically, I think you got to protect the tree as well. Have him, lad. Beat him. Beat him. Yes, man. Yes. So this is why you need to get warriors, because obviously they can basically attack everyone better. And he's having him off here. He's jabbing him. Oh my god, don't die to it. Come on. Die, kill it. Come on, don't die to it. Yes. And how do you heal? Oh my god. Right, so we need to build another hut now. We'll build. Oh no. As if this is coming. Like what? Oh, so this is coming in, right? Let me just show you what happens when this guy comes in, because I honestly don't know. Don't know what's going to happen, because he's going to get webbed. He's going to get webbed. Alright, he's dead. Yeah, like, so what do I do now? Is it just coming in and web him? What he's gonna just try me up before it's even constructed. Yo, what do I do? I am being webbed there. Come on, it's not even done yet. I'll web him as soon as we get it. I'm gonna get these barracks up, and these monsters are going down. You know, they're actually going down. Oh, we got 2 crystals though. Okay, that's good. I believe you get crystals from killing the monsters. Yeah. Yes, we repair the thing. Oh, okay, so you can repair it by basically putting more stuff on there. Yo, so how do I get more of these? Okay. Oh, right. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, so you can produce them out the tree. Right, you can produce your workers out the tree. That's me being silly. So let's get these workers. Let's get these workers done. This guy done. Get these out. Let's get these warriors in to protect the place. Repair that. We've run out of everything now, but at least we know what we're doing. Okay, yes, me workers. You guys here, go smack him up, man. Go smack him. Go smack him up, bro. So basically you press T and your warrior goes and attacks him. Yes, he knows how to web him. Yes. At least he knows how to web him, right? Right, okay. And I believe you get your barracks to help everyone else. Right, so then we need... Okay, so these guys, they can also go and mine stuff as well, I believe. Obviously it's not a job, but they can still do it. And then this guy, we'll get to mine that over there. Alright, so at least we know that, and then we can... Oh, we need some more materials. Right, so anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll leave you updated on what else you can do in this game. Please subscribe if you haven't already to learn how to make money online, and everything else that you need to know about making money. I thought this was quite a light-hearted video to make, but just to show you what this game actually is. So yeah, let's leave this now. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you later.